What's up, guys? In this video, I want to talk about the sneaker market because I've noticed something about the sneaker market recently, and to sum it up, it's down. Like, it's down bad. And I want to talk about this, why I think the sneaker market is down right now. Prices are dropping. Prices are dropping. You know, if you're a sneakerhead and you really want these sneakers to wear, this is awesome. If you're a reseller, not so much, but you can still find your ways to, of course, make money. With that being said, the sneaker market, guys, is down. And in this video, I want to talk about some sneakers that show and prove that the market is down, talk about why, and then I'm going to show you guys some sneakers that I feel like now's the time to buy. Now's the time to buy because these sneakers are going to go up in price. The market's down for now, but to be honest, the sneaker market, it goes up and down. It has its peaks, and then we have times that it kind of like plateaus, but it's never down that drastically where everything is retail. That won't happen, but the market right now, prices are dropping, so let's talk about it. I want to start off with a few sneakers to give you guys examples. Start off with some University Blue Jordan 1s, which I am giving away, so be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, give me a follow on Instagram, DM me proof that you did everything, leave a comment down below. But right here, Hyper Royals, I'm sorry, University Blues and Hyper Royals, prices are down. Prices are down. The University Blue here started off at like $450, almost $500 right after release. Crazy. We do not see typical Jordan 1 releases like this going for that type of money day of release, and they were at that price for a little bit. They were coming down to $400. Now they're below $400 in most sizes. Prices have come down. There's a few reasons of this. We'll get more into it. Hyper Royals were at $450, almost $500 on day of release. They also have dropped down. They've dropped down more than University Blues. Those have dropped down to like mid 300s, which is not bad at all. Let's talk about these. The Shadow 2.0. Guys, there's no reason that this should be a $220 sneaker right now. Timing wise, I guess we're just getting so many sneakers. But to be honest, this should be worth more money. These are undervalued and definitely will go up. Click the top link down below in the description. Go cop a sticker for $9.99. You're entering your chance at winning some really hype exclusive sneakers. One lucky person's gonna win Travis Scott Air Jordan 1s, but we're also gonna have a bunch of winners, multiple winners for sneakers like the University Blue Jordan 1s, Shadow 2.0 Air Jordan 1s, Hyper Royal Air Jordan 1s, Alma Man Air Jordan 3s, Fire Red 4s, Yeezys, the list goes on. Click the top link down below in the description. Go copy yourself a sticker for $9.99 and have a chance at winning some really hype, exclusive, expensive sneakers. Let's talk about Nike Dunks for a second because everyone loves Nike Dunks right now. Nike Dunks are at an all-time high, but that is starting to come down from what I see. I think people are tired of the Nike Dunk in a way. I feel like a lot of people that really love the shoe are happy for this. So shout out to you if you're happy for this. I'm happy about this. I like the Nike Dunk. But resellers are not happy about this because they're oversaturating the market. Nike's giving us so many Nike Dunks. Nike Dunk after Nike Dunk after Nike Dunk. And it's showing with resale. Here's a great example. We have the Fragment Nike Dunk High going for under 200, retails 150. Guys, Fragment, take a look at the Fragment Jordan 1s, one of the best, biggest Jordan collabs of all time. And look at the Dunk collaboration resale. Crazy, crazy. A lot of Nike Dunks are dropping in price. A lot of the high tops, especially. Low tops, they're still pushing decent numbers, you know, around 2, mid-low 2, depending on the colorway, some under 200. Nike's mass producing the Nike Dunk, and they know what they're doing with it. They're honestly going to wind up probably killing the market one day like they've done with Air Force Ones, Roshe runs. Nike, they continue to do it. They want to get their money and move on to the next hype thing. With that being said, I want to talk about why the market is down. There's a few reasons. First and foremost, I think people are overwhelmed with all these releases. We get so many sneaker releases. It is crazy. And at this point, I think it's safe to say we're getting more releases than ever that I can remember. I've been into sneakers since 2010. We were not getting releases on a Monday, a Tuesday, a Wednesday like that back then. Here and there on a Thursday, maybe a Foamposite here and there on like a Wednesday, but for the most part, Friday and Saturday. Now, it seems like I'm trying on the sneakers app like 4 days a week. It seems like almost every other day I have to try on the sneakers app for something. That's what it seems like to me. It feels that way. And I'm sure I'm not the only one. And that's crazy because they're overproducing sneakers. We're getting so many sneaker releases. I think it's too much. I think people are too much and too tired of it. Who has all this money for all of these sneakers? Not only that, say you cop every sneaker you like. Where are you going to put them all? You know? We only have 2 feet. You only have so much space. You only have so much money. Where are you putting all these shoes? Nike, slow down on the releases. Definitely need to. Adidas does a nice job, I think, of spacing out Yeezy releases for the most part. I do. I think they did a pretty good job. Nike is banging out releases left and right, left and right. Now, let's talk about what's going on in the world. Things are coming back to normal, which is nice to see. And that is coming into effect. When everyone was getting, what was it, stimulus checks and unemployment, I believe, when they were like at an all-time high, prices were at an all-time high because people were getting extra money, spending the money on shoes, getting into the resale business. Sneaker business has been booming even more since what's going on in the world happened. It's just a fact. With that being said, there's so much sneakers coming out. There's so many releases, and things are getting back to normal, which is cool. Right? I'm happy for it. Things getting back to normal, which means prices will come down. People are getting back to work. People are just not spending as much money on sneakers like they once were, especially last year. And more so this year as well. Guys, prices are dropping. Some sneakers that I do want to talk about why I think you need to invest if you're looking to make some money. Cop these. I mean, this is a great colorway, a great investment. Prices looking very nice under 400. These are well undervalued. This will definitely go up to 350. I do believe there's potential in these. It really depends. We'll see what happens as Nike continues with the Nike Dunk releases, but they're oversaturating the market like crazy. Hyper Royals, a really good one as well. We even have Jordan 1s, guys, that are bricking. Isn't that crazy? We have releases bricking now. That was not happening last year like that. A lot of these releases are still selling out. You know, these ones I just showed you have sold out, but prices are dropping. So let me know if you're a fan of this. Let me know what you think about the sneaker market dropping. Are you a fan? Hey, I'm all for it, man. This is dope. It's cool to see the market coming down, prices dropping, because it gives more people access to actually cop these sneakers. Most people are not going to go spend. Your average person is not spending $500 on a pair of sneakers. So I'm all for it. I'm happy. Market's coming down. Things are getting back to normal. The world is opening up, and prices are starting to come down. I do think prices will go back up. I do. I think right now we're getting back to normal, right? So prices are dropping, and then they'll slowly go back up again. I think that's what's going to happen. So take advantage of it. If there's any shoes you're looking to cop, now's a good time, just in general. Depending on the shoe, of course, but of course, now in general, generally speaking, now's a good time to cop some of these hype sneakers for really good prices. You know, if you want it for the personal, not spend too much, too crazy, now's a good time. Let me know what you guys think about the sneaker market. Hit that thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys enter in the Jordan 1 University Blue giveaway. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Give me a follow on Instagram and DM me proof that you did everything. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.